Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is December 10th, 2024, and we're diving into Stitch Fix's first quarter earnings report for fiscal year 2025. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Stitch Fix, the leading online personal styling service, has just released their Q1 2025 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue figures to strategic insights.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Stitch Fix reported a net revenue of $318.8 million for the first quarter, which is a 12.6% decrease year over year. John, what are your thoughts on this revenue decline?
While the revenue decline is notable, it's important to consider the context. Stitch Fix has been undergoing a transformation strategy, and the decrease is partly due to the cessation of their UK operations. Despite the drop, the company managed to keep its net loss to $6.3 million, with a diluted loss per share of 0.5 cents, which is better than many expected.
That's a good point. How does this align with their profitability efforts?
Stitch Fix has been focusing on cost management, which is reflected in their improved gross margin of 45.4%, up by 180 basis points year over year. This indicates that they are effectively managing their costs, even as they navigate through a challenging market environment.
Client metrics and market strategy. Moving on to client metrics, Stitch Fix reported 434,000 active clients, a decrease of 3% quarter over quarter. However, revenue per active client increased by 4.9% year over year to $531. What does this tell us about their market strategy?
The decrease in active clients is a concern, but the increase in revenue per active client is a positive sign. It suggests that Stitch Fix is successfully enhancing the value of its offerings to existing clients, likely through improved personalization and product assortment. This aligns with their strategy to deepen client relationships and increase engagement.
So despite losing some clients, they're making more from each one?
Exactly. This indicates that their efforts to refine the client experience and leverage AI-driven recommendations are paying off, even as they work to stabilize and grow their client base.
Financial outlook and strategic initiatives. Looking ahead, Stitch Fix has provided guidance for the second quarter and the full fiscal year 2025. Can you walk us through their financial outlook?
For Q2 2025, Stitch Fix expects net revenue between $290 million and $300 million, with an adjusted EBITDA of $8 million to $13 million. For the full fiscal year, they forecast revenue between $1.14 billion and $1.18 billion, and adjusted EBITDA ranging from $25 million to $36 million. This guidance reflects their cautious optimism as they continue to implement their transformation strategy.
What strategic initiatives are they focusing on to achieve these targets?
Stitch Fix is concentrating on enhancing client experience and operational efficiencies. They are also investing in technology to improve personalization and client engagement, which they believe will drive long-term growth and profitability.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, let's discuss the earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 14, but Stitch Fix reported an actual EPS of by 5. How significant is this beat?
This is a substantial beat. Reporting a loss per share of -5 cents against the forecasted -14 cents indicates that Stitch Fix is managing its costs better than expected. This could boost investor confidence, as it shows the company's ability to control expenses and improve margins even in a challenging environment.
Does this change the outlook for investors?
It certainly adds a positive note to their financial narrative. While challenges remain, this performance suggests that Stitch Fix is on a solid path to achieving its strategic goals, which could make it an attractive option for investors looking for long-term growth potential.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, Stitch Fix's Q1 2025 results show a company in transition with a focus on improving client value and operational efficiency. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Stitch Fix is making strategic moves to enhance its business model, and the better-than-expected EPS is a testament to their efforts. While there are hurdles to overcome, their focus on client engagement and cost management positions them well for future growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Stitch Fix's performance in the comments below.